Hey everyone, welcome back to Rubizart. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute and easy paper handbag using simple material. First, take any colored paper you like. Fold about 1 inch from both sides. This will form the sides of your handbag. Now fold 2 inches from the bottom. This will be the base of your bag. Open it carefully and press the corners inside to create a neat flat bottom. Apply glue on the corners and stick them properly to seal the base. Look, our handbag shape is already coming together. Next, cut 2 thin paper strips for the handles, stick them on the top, and it'll look just like a real mini handbag. Now it's time to decorate. You can use ribbons, stickers, glitter, or even small paper flowers. Make it as colorful and creative as you want. And that's it. Our beautiful paper handbag is ready. If you enjoyed this idea, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rubizart for more fun and creative DIYs.